These are the best video editing apps in June 2026, top 4 powerful picks that can upgrade your phone into a pro-level editing studio and help you create viral videos. At number 4, we've got KineMaster, a video editor rated 4.4 stars with over 500 million installs. This is one of the most powerful mobile editing apps used by creators worldwide. KineMaster turns your phone into a full video studio. You can edit movies, vlogs, reels, and YouTube shorts with pro-level tools right at your fingertips. And now it's packed with AI features that make editing way faster. You get AI auto captions that instantly turn speech into subtitles, AI text to speech for voiceovers, and even AI music matching that suggests the perfect soundtrack for your video. It also has AI noise removal to clean up audio, AI background removal to cut out subjects instantly, and AI tracking so text and stickers follow moving objects like a pro editor. Plus, you can use chroma key for green screen effects, keyframe animation for smooth motion, and even 4K 60 FPS export for ultra high quality videos. What makes KineMaster so popular is how it balances pro-level editing with beginner-friendly controls. You don't need a computer or expensive software. Everything is in your pocket, ready to create viral content in minutes. Number 3, we've got YouCut Video Editor and Maker, a powerful mobile editing app that's taken over with over 100 million installs and a strong 4.6 rating from 8 million reviews. This app is built for creators who want fast, clean, professional-looking videos without the hassle. Whether you're posting on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, YouCut makes editing feel effortless. You can trim, cut, and merge clips in seconds, add music, text, filters, and cinematic effects without losing quality. One of its biggest game changers is the AI-powered tools like auto captions for talking videos and instant background removal that makes your content look studio level with just a tap. It also supports slow motion, speed control, video compression, and even 4K export, so you get full control over how your final video looks and feels. And here's what really makes people stick with it: no watermark and no annoying banner ads while you're editing. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of big name editors. If you're turning photos into slideshows or cutting clips for social media, this app handles it all smoothly, even if you've never edited a video before. That's why millions of creators trust it every day. So here's the question: are you still using complicated editors, or are you ready to upgrade your content game? At number 2, we've got CapCut Photo and Video Editor with a solid 4.3 star rating and over 1 billion installs worldwide. This isn't just a basic editing app, it's a full creative studio in your pocket. You can trim, cut, and merge clips in seconds, or go next level with speed controls from ultra slow 0.1x to lightning fast 100x. Want cinematic shots? Use keyframe animation, smooth slow motion, and motion tracking to make your videos look professional, even if you're a beginner. One of the biggest game changers is auto captions. It automatically turns speech into subtitles, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And if you hate green screens, no problem. The chroma key tool removes backgrounds instantly. You also get text-to-speech, background removal, trending filters, transitions, glitch effects, and millions of music tracks and sound effects. That's why millions of creators use CapCut daily. It turns simple clips into viral-worthy content in minutes. Plus, you can export in 4K at 60 FPS, making everything look super clean and high quality. The number 1, it's InShot, Video Editor and Maker. It's insanely popular with a 4.6 star rating, over 500 million downloads, and more than 23 million reviews worldwide. This app is built for one thing: making your videos look pro without needing a computer. You can cut clips, trim seconds, or merge full videos in just a few taps. No confusing timeline, no stress, just smooth editing. Want cinematic vibes? Add music, sound effects, or even your own voiceover instantly. And the fun part: You get trending filters, glitch effects, slow motion, and smooth transitions that make even simple clips look like a movie trailer. You can resize videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram in one tap. Add animated text, stickers, emojis, and fully customized colors, brightness, and speed up to 100x. Even photo slideshows and HD export up to 4K? Yep, it handles that too. That's why creators love it. It saves time, feels easy, and still gives professional level results straight from your phone. So, which app are you downloading first? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more.